Hi everybody, welcome to Simply Scuba. In today's video, I'm going to be taking a closer look at the best Divers Standard Expandable Coil Clip. So this is a extendable lanyard for sort of all sorts of different accessories. This is the sort of the most basic, that's why they call it the standard, in that the clip that you're attaching onto your BCD is just a plastic clip, nothing overly fancy, pretty lightweight. This swivels and it has this kind of self-closing gate, but if you're attaching heavy or sort of valuable things, I'd probably go up through the range. If you're just attaching like a screwdriver or whatever it is, then yeah, this one, I mean, the clip itself is pretty tough. It's nice and strong. It doesn't bend or sort of flex, so I wouldn't worry too much about it. It does rotate, as I said, and then it goes down to this sort of pinch clip. So this is in the sort of the storage mode, so you can have it clipped off onto a D-ring and then it's not dangling too far away from your body. But if you then need to use the camera or whatever it is, you can unclip that pinch clip in the middle, and then you have this extending coil that you can extend a good sort of meter or so. So you can use whatever it is whilst it's still attached to yourself. So even if you drop it, it's not going anywhere. But then to stop it from just dangling away from your body, you clip it back up again, and then it stays sort of nice and close. To attach whatever it is, you have this sort of stainless steel split ring, and then you can attach that onto a sort of anchor point on whatever it is. The coil itself, so this is all just sort of plastic, and they're usually quite brightly colored. There is a black version as well, but I just chose the orange because it stands out quite nicely. And that's it, basically. A very simple clip, just for sort of smaller accessories that you always want attached onto yourself. It is the standard in the range with that sort of plastic clip. But if you do have something that you want it to be a bit more secure, you can go up through the range. But yeah, for something sort of fairly inexpensive and you just want a cheap clip, then yeah, definitely worth checking out. There's going to be more information on our website, simplyscuba.com. You can click the link down in the description below to see that. Thank you for watching, and of course, safe diving.